This is a scene outside of my apartment. You can see that how many inches snow is accumulated. There is not lot of light outside. It's like around 10:30 at night, so you probably cannot feel the wind outside, which is 50 miles an hour. It's like gust, it's like a blizzard outside. If I can open the door, I can show you how bad it is. Can you see? Oh my god, can you hear the noise of the wind? It is expected to be 18 to 30 inches snow by tomorrow, and schools are closed for 4 days, and everybody is pretty much staying in their house. It's like hell outside. My office is also closed for 2 days. Buildings are closed. People are staying in their house. They took the grocery of 1 week, and they are just kind of house arrest for 1 week if possible. And there is a great warning from weather department, highly advisory to stay at home. Don't even look at outside. If you can see, there is a red light blinking out there. Somebody's car is broken, and that person might be standing on the road.